Hey guys.
Hey guys.
My name is Kenny Felice and I'm here with my wife,
Jalissa.
and we have an exciting announcement for you guys. We're going to Spain.
Yay!
This is going to be a long trip. I want you guys to come along with us and experience about 2 weeks in the beautiful country of Spain. We've never been there.
No, we're going to Madrid and then Santiago de Compostela. How do you say that in English?
James the Great. We're going to start in Sarria, and then we're going to end up in this town called James the Great.
We're going to walk a lot.
Yeah,
that's why we have these hats.
We're ready to go, guys. You guys have to check out like our gear right now. I have to show you guys the sandals, you know.
I have my Skechers. Kind of dirty,
playing games.
Yes.
Well, guys, we're so excited. We're gonna be going with Jalissa's family as well, her parents, her sister. So come along with us and let's start this journey. Let's go.
Let's go.
Don Enrique, ¿cómo estamos? ¿Cómo te Quique? ¿Cómo te sientes? Bien, gracias a Dios. Buen camino.
Bueno, esta es mi familia, mi papá, mi hermano, mi mamá. We're in the air train.
The next stop is Terminal B. Airline starting Terminal B.
We are on the plane right now in Newark. Getting ready.
So I can rest my neck and be comfortable.
It's about to be a 7-hour flight, right?
Yeah, 7 and 40 minutes.
Nice. We'll see you guys when we get there.
Buenas tardes, damas y caballeros. Le damos la bienvenida.
As our flight lands here, I just want to mention that when we travel, especially on longer flights, we always try to avoid layovers and really just schedule ahead of time. So we paid about $500 round trip, and again, we would prefer not to have any headaches, you know, so it's nice to just go direct from Newark to Madrid. So it's a nice flight. We are on the taxi here on our way to our first hotel. Pretty cool ride. Spain looks very similar to growing up in kind of like an urban environment like New York City. The buildings remind me a lot of growing up and just really not seeing any single family houses and more of a multi-unit kind of very metropolitan city-based living. As you can see here, Spain is pretty clean. That's one of the nicest things that we noticed about Europe. I really like the architecture here and how modest life really seems.
Sercotel Hotel. Is that how you say it?
We're in Madrid.
Madrid.
Pretty cool bathroom. I have to shout out that black and white checker pattern they have going on. Looks really cool in the bathroom. Everything in Spain is smaller.
Yeah, even the beds.
Even the beds, the sink.
But this is a big mirror.
The only thing big in Spain is this mirror.
I love it.
We need this in our house. It looks pretty cool.
And then the view, you want to show them the view, baby?
I do. Ooh. Very
pretty.
Federalist architecture. A lot of brick here in this area in
Mira qué
Madrid.
chulo. Ahí donde está la piscina.
There's a pool. I have to shout out the fridge just because it's so unique. Look at this Kit Kat bar. That looks different.
Like different, yeah.
Like, what is going on here? Olives?
Anchoa. Anchoa? Yeah.
Right?
Wow, nuts.
Are those nuts?
Should
With
take
their,
that to the Camino.
a cocktail, like a cocktail of nuts. So interesting. That looks like, it's like a seltzer. This, what is this?
It's like juice.
It's like juice, but it looks like it's made from peaches. And then this one is made from pineapple, but this juice looks really good.
Yeah, it's like fresh.
Looks like very fresh.
Yeah.
Look at this, water in a box.
Wow.
And it's from them too, Sercotel. Coca-Cola.
Cool. What's behind that? That
Feels like a
Coke
difference.
too?
Different.
Looks different.
Yeah, look at this Coke here.
Oh, zero. Okay.
Okay, Coke Zero. And that is it for the fridge. And you guys already know how I'm gonna start my day.
Me too.
You want one?
Yeah. Thank you.
Cheers to our love.
Nice and cold. Hey guys, we're gonna go to La Gran Vía en metro.
Yo tenía un carrito estándar aquí, vivo aquí en Estados Unidos, en Nueva York. Ya le mojaba la cuando yo vine se mojaba una vez. Un Nissan Sentra tenía yo.
Taking the metro right now. We're gonna go check out downtown Madrid. We're a little bit close to the airport.
Un pasaje para la ruta verde.
Vale, pero ¿para qué estación de la línea verde? ¿Y eso?
Un GoPro.
¿Está grabando?
We're trying to figure out if this is our train or not.
If not, we missed it. Bueno, es mejor uno estar seguro que
Este sur pasa por un verde.
el próximo llega en 3 minutos.
Decía casa de
One thing we love about the metro here in Spain, it's way cleaner than the subway system in New York. Going to Gran Via, which is a big touristic site. We'll be able to see monuments, statues, hopefully grab some food, some dinner. Stay tuned guys for some nice looking architecture and statues and history. Spain is really cool compared to a very capitalist approach or more of a very brand-based downtown area where it seems that commercial real estate really is what keeps that place together. A lot of chains, as you can see, there's a lot of American influence in Spain as that McDonald's is in a very historical building. I noticed that a lot of kind of the food globally and the influence that we've seen in the US has been great. Now this building is pretty cool. So that building you guys see there is the Bank of Spain building. It's the main headquarters of the Bank of Spain, and it lies crossing Calle de Alcalá and lies across Paseo del Prado. A lot of the work and the architecture was from around the 19th, 18th century.
This is like so beautiful out here.
Everything looks so cool.
I know. So bright, clean.
The architecture, the attention to detail. A lot of people get caught up in minimalism, everything looking futuristic. But look at these details you don't see. The palace you see is the Cibeles Palace. It's the Palace of Communications. It's composed of 2 buildings with white facades. It used to be the main post office and telegraph and telephone headquarters. Now, this door you see, it's a beautiful neoclassical gate in the Plaza of Independence in Madrid, Spain. and it was the gate of the former walls of Philip IV. It's right in the city center, several meters away from the main entrance of El Parque del Buen Retiro, which is a beautiful park that was made from the king for high social elites to be able to have fun and go for a stroll in the pond. And we're going to go there in a bit, so check this out. One of the coolest things about Spain is the architecture, like I've been saying a lot. Everything is super classy.
Like, this is just day one, and I'm like...
This place is incredible.
Yeah.
So many spots to eat at outside. We're excited to eat some dinner, like we mentioned, we're
I
starving.
just want to go to Zara because I want to get a cute outfit for pictures. And I heard that this Zara here is like the biggest one in like Europe, right?
It has like
it's like really big.
multiple stories. We are here at Ramses. We are drinking some nice Spanish wine, and the vibe is right. Cheers. Salud. This is what they call jamón ibérico, which is a really nice ham that they have in Spain. It has really good quality. Just look at the thinness of the ham. How cool is that, right? You can't go wrong with this Trust Crianza 2018. It's very well aged. This is a wine, and it is wine time. Dinner is here. This here is a lomo, guys, which is really good. A nice steak. And this is a potato, but I really like the shape. They also put a pepper on it. This is my wife's food, Jalissa. We have chicken, potatoes, pasta over there. The same thing as me, and some octopus, which looks really good. So, bon appetit, guys. It's time to eat. Had a good time at dinner.
So yummy.
We took the train back. On our way back to the hotel. Businesses are still open at this time, as you can see. We gotta get some rest.
Yeah, we've been up since like yesterday, and then we took a small nap.
Hope you guys liked our first day at Madrid. Stay tuned for day number 2.
See ya.
Good night, guys. Peace.